about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my